Hey, so it's week 11 in solar, thermal, and wind, and your sort of pre-project is due, the one that Tim Chester assigned, and so I've had a couple come in, and I've done a little bit of grading, but you're going to need to submit it where I'm about to show you. Right here. I see one submitted. I will view it. Gary Oram is on it. Nice job, Gary. Yeah. I'm just going to open it briefly and not pick on him too hard because he's sitting right here in front of me. He's got a giant spool of copper wire in his hand, but I'm just going to make a few general comments to see how close this is to what I'm looking for. So it must have been cold that day. Or maybe, that's you don't have long enough hair to be Jesus. You get a much better Jesus thing going right now.
I had to practice.
Cool. Two fans. Okay, so he's done a load analysis here, or a little bit of a load analysis. Solar peak hours. So just humor me here a little bit. To obtain a net zero PV, I would need at least 12 square meters. How'd you come up with 50 kilowatt hours a day? This is my question.
4.2 kilowatts times.
This is your demand, right?
Yeah.
And how did you get to 50? I don't see that anywhere. Oh, this guy?
Yeah.
Okay. 1,500 kilowatt hours a day. So where does that come from?
1,500 kilowatt hours.
It says 1,500 kilowatt hours every 30 days. Yeah.
So he's using between 13 and 1,500 kilowatts per month on average.
Oh, okay. There we go. 1,300. Okay. 50 kilowatt hours a day. That sounds about the right ballpark. Okay. Here's just a few comments. You're going to want to put spaces in here. It's just easier to read, more correct. This is all just kind of picky, but it's...
Well, I didn't think this was actually an assignment when I did it.
This is not an assignment? Well, yeah, it's an assignment. There it is. It's due. Everyone has to do it. You turn it in for part of the course.
I'll be right on that.
Okay.
Won't let it happen again.
Okay.
Done with
So anyway, I'm just giving some general feedback for everybody's benefit. So put those spaces in, and this information is fine, but it's just a little bit out of context. So you want to say array or panel rating. Panel rating, 320 watts. This would be, is this the panel size?
Yeah. No, those are the cell size.
Well, it's 6 by 10 cells, so the panel has 60 cells.
The cells.
Cells per.
6 by 10 inch.
Yes. So.
Cells per panel.
Oh. So these are 6 inches?
6 inches by 10 inches.
Cells?
Cells.
Those are big old cells. And how many cells per panel?
6 by 10, maybe that's.
Yeah, this is why you got to put this in here. So this is going to be cells per panel, which is what I'm assuming.
Cell dimensions are 6 inches, 6 inches squared right there. So
Okay.
6 by 10.
Okay.
6 by 10 foot cell, the panel.
6 foot by 10 foot? Okay, so anyway, so that's the problem. We don't know what the dimensions are. Needs to go, so the panel, question mark. Cells per panel, cell size, etc. So these guys can't just kind of float out there. Cell dimension, that's fine. Okay, 6 capacity. Uh, 10 years, seems reasonable. Excuse me. And to put this in, I put in a space, and then I like to do this backslash degrees. Degree. There it is. See how I did that? Cute little guy. 37s. And then 3.7, I think volts, instead of millivolts or kilovolts, whatever. And you can do the same thing here. Once you've got that degree symbol nailed, copy that guy, put that in, paste that as a degree symbol, paste that in as a space, degree symbol. Then this right here, this is a few too many sig digs on that bad boy. Just get rid of that. And then throw a comma in there. And then I need units here. Probably volts, but needs to be there. Max. Volts DC. I'd rather see this as VDC, not that. It's not a big deal, but. Units. Again, V, this should be a capital V. What's this guy?
For the watt meter. 1266 for the watt meter.
Okay.
I see what you're doing there.
It's just kind of like hanging out in the breeze.
I would be doing the same thing. Your speed reading, your numbers.
Well, I mean, I am, but I'm also just seeing 1266 as a paragraph, and it's not, you know, it needs to be part of the narrative, or in a table. This looks good. I mean, the way that's written looks good. Good narrative. Cool. Quinky dink?
Well,
Maybe, yeah.
at 12.37 years, they're gonna get their system back, but if anything goes wrong in it past that.
Break even, yeah.
It's a break even thing.
But I think the bigger part here is, well, yeah. But if the system lasts longer than 12 years and the rest is gravy, otherwise you're just continuing to pay for non-renewables. So, nice work.
I think you're
Do
missing
it.
the whole big scenario, that swimming pool I'm standing in. I built.
What?
Yes. I literally hand carted the cement down into the deep end and mortared the cement in the deep end.
Who dug the hole?
Well, we had an excavator come in and dig most of it, and then we did the rest of it by shovels.
The other thing, what you want to do here is put your name on it. All right, that's a wrap.